caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Hello and welcome to another video from Raw and Uncut Management. And as promised in my May announcement, I said I was going to do a review of this machine here. This is the Minimex Cappuccino maker called Bella, B-E-L-L-A. And I've had this coffee machine now since November. Now is May, and I just wanted to give you a quick review. And I can show you at the same time how wonderful it is. Yeah? And how still it makes a perfect cappuccino. Don't need to talk about it. I'm going to show you. So 6 months on, with regular maintenance and regular cleaning. Look at that. Each and every time it makes a cappuccino like that. So after 6 months, new enough. It's such a good machine. So happy with it. Going to make the milk now. So if you're looking for a inexpensive, good quality coffee machine, cappuccino machine that makes really nice coffee, I wish you could smell that. It's just so nice, guys. Fantastic. Then go for the Minimex. About 160 American dollars, and I think it's worth every single penny. For those people who love coffee, yeah, get one of these. And can I just recommend, I'm going to do something that I wasn't going to do, but I'm going to do it anyhow. So you can see from there, that's what it is to get a coffee grinder as well. And here is my coffee grinder. It's by a company called DeLong High. Yeah, $112, but it grinds coffee exactly how you want it. And I just ground just enough for 2 cups, whacked it in this machine, and it's all ready to go. It's a best buy. It's fantastic. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share, and you know the drill. I will say bye-bye for now, but here we go. The Minimex Bella Cappuccino or coffee machine. It's a big wow, and I think it's a must-have.